In this quick guide, you'll learn how to insert comments in LibreOffice. Adding comments can be a useful way to annotate your work, provide feedback, or simply leave notes for yourself or others. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just organizing your thoughts, comments can be an invaluable tool. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't yet installed LibreOffice, you can easily download it from its official website. It's free and comes with a suite of tools similar to other Office software, making it a great choice for both personal and professional use. Once you have LibreOffice open, ensure you have all your documents closed to start this fresh process. Next, you'll need to open a Writer document. LibreOffice Writer is the word processing component of the suite, much like Microsoft Word. You can either create a new document or open an existing one where you wish to add comments. This flexibility allows you to work on any document of your choice, making it easy to manage multiple projects at once. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a range of menu options there. Click on Insert. This menu is where you'll find various options to add different elements to your document, such as images, tables, and of course, comments. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Comment. Doing so will allow you to insert a comment at your current cursor location within the document. Comments can be a great way to highlight a specific section of your text that requires attention or clarification. Once you've clicked Comment, a comment box will appear on the right side of your document. This is where you can type in your notes or feedback. The comment box will link directly to the text you've selected or the cursor position, ensuring that your comment is contextually relevant. You can type anything you need here, from reminders to detailed explanations. Remember, comments are not visible in the printed version of the document, so you can use them freely without affecting the final appearance of your work. They are especially useful for collaborative projects, where several people need to review and annotate the same document. If you want to view all the comments in your document, you can simply scroll through your document. Each comment will be neatly aligned on the side, associated with a specific part of the text it refers to. This makes it easy to navigate and review all the feedback in one go. And there you have it, the straightforward process of inserting comments in LibreOffice Writer. With these steps, you can enhance your document management and collaboration, making it easier to keep track of notes and feedback all in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.